This story, unfortunately, might sound familiar. You went out with the missus, ordered some food, finished a bottle of wine, and then went on to the highlight of the evening, only to find out it was a no-go. You couldn't get it up. A total disappointment of the evening. And now you're researching Sildenafil, also known as Viagra, in the hopes this will never happen to you again. If this does sound familiar, then this video is meant for you. We will cover how and when to use Sildenafil, what side effects it can cause, and what dosages you need, and much more. So make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss any important information. And for those of you I'm meeting for the first time, my name is Raoul, I'm a medical doctor from the Netherlands, and I'm making weekly medical videos to educate you, my viewer. So keep on watching and let's get learning. And just a side note, I already made a video on Sildenafil. It was one of the first videos I ever made. It did tremendously well, and therefore now this updated version. Let's continue. So as mentioned, the generic name of this medication is Sildenafil, and it's sold under several brand names, among which Viagra and Balcoga, and is available as a tablet, suspension or injection. Which brings us to how to use this medication. If you want to use it as a tablet, make sure to swallow it whole with half a glass of water. If you want to use it as a suspension, first shake the bottle. Afterwards, measure the correct amount using a dosing syringe or a measuring cup and take that dose. Then, rinse the dosing syringe and the measuring cup with some water and drink this water as well. In addition, if you need to take it as an injection, your doctor or your nurse will administer it. Furthermore, taking Sildenafil as a tablet or a suspension with food will delay the onset of action, so keep that in mind. Sildenafil is part of a group of drugs which inhibit the PDE5 enzyme. This enzyme is normally responsible for the breakdown of cGMP. cGMP is generated in the shaft of the penis through sexual stimulation. When using Viagra, the concentration of cGMP in the shaft of the penis is increased. This causes the smooth muscles in the penis to slacken, allowing it to fill with blood, creating an erection. cGMP also plays an important role in the vascular system of your lungs. There it also relaxes smooth muscles, resulting in vasodilatation and decreasing blood pressure. This explains why Sildenafil can be used to treat erectile dysfunction problems as well as pulmonary hypertrophy. So let's continue with the correct dosages to use. And here it is important to mention that I can only provide you with some guidelines. Always use the prescribed amount of frequency your doctor gave you, so your specific dose might depend on your indication of use, the severity of your side effects, and the severity of the symptoms you might experience. However, when treating erectile dysfunction, most doctors will start with an initial dose of 50 mg approximately 1 hour prior to sexual activity, no more than once per day. It's important to note that this drug does require sexual activity in order to work properly. Based on the effectiveness you experience as well as your tolerance, the dose might ultimately be adjusted from about 25 mg up to a maximum of 100 mg once per day. And when treating pulmonary hypertension, your doctor might usually prescribe a dose of 20 mg 3 times a day, taken in intervals of 6 to 8 hours. Sildenafil is a very effective drug, but unfortunately it can also cause some side effects. In this video we will cover some of the most common ones, but if you're looking for a complete list, then ask your doctor, check your leaflet, or ask your pharmacist. When using Sildenafil to treat erectile dysfunction, it might commonly cause dizziness, hot flashes, nausea, and a blurred vision. Uncommonly it could cause a hypersensitivity reaction, palpitations, a low blood pressure, and a dry mouth. And rarely it could cause fainting, a stroke, irritability, and a penile hemorrhage. When using Sildenafil to treat pulmonary hypertension, it could very commonly cause a headache, diarrhea, or pain in your arms or legs. It could commonly cause dizziness, a tremor, a nosebleed, and uncommonly it could cause blood in your urine or a penile bleeding. Which brings us to the safety of use. Here I want to mention, if you do experience side effects like dizziness or fatigue, then please do not drive, as this can be dangerous. Furthermore, if you combine Sildenafil with alcohol, it could also increase its side effects, so please be careful there. In addition, Sildenafil can have interactions with other drugs you're taking, therefore always discuss this with your personal doctor. And lastly, for those of you which are pregnant or breastfeeding, please be careful with Sildenafil. It can be dangerous for you and your baby. Also discuss this with your doctor. Now, I hope you know now how to use Sildenafil, or also known as Viagra. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to answer each and every one of them. If you did learn something, please click the like and subscribe button. It will help out the channel tremendously, and in return, you will get a weekly notification with new content. It's free and you can always change your mind. For those of you that can't get enough, check out the Instagram as well, @howtomedicate. And otherwise, I will see you next week with a new video. Bye bye.